first step to making a chasing game is to write scripts so that you can move the cat with the arrow keys. You need to write 4 scripts. Each one shows an arrow key. So we've got up arrow, right arrow, down arrow, and left arrow, the 4 arrow keys on your keyboard. Each set of scripts has a different direction that you point the cat in. So when up arrow key pressed, point in direction 0. When right arrow key pressed, point in direction 90. When down arrow key pressed, point in direction 180. And when left arrow key pressed, point in direction -90. All 4 of them then have move 10 steps. Let's see how to do that. First of all, you need to start off with an event. So we're going to have the up arrow key, and we're going to have the right arrow key on the right, and we'll have the left arrow key on the left, and the down arrow key can go at the bottom. So we've got up, right, down, and left. Now I'm going to have some motions. So we need to have the cat pointing in the right direction for each arrow key. And when you click on the little down arrow next to the number, it tells you which number you need. So for the up arrow key, I wanted to go 0 degrees facing upwards. And do the same for the other 3. So when right arrow key pressed, point in direction 90, which is right, so that's already the correct one. When down arrow key pressed, point in direction 180, that's down. And when left arrow key pressed, point in direction -90 for left. And finally, I want to make them all move 10 steps whenever you press those arrow keys. So we'll put another block there. And now when I press the right arrow key, the cat moves right. And when I press the left arrow key, the cat moves left. And when I press the up arrow key, he goes up. When I press the down arrow key, he goes down. You can, if you want to, make him move more quickly or more slowly by changing these numbers. So I'm going to click in there, and I'm going to type, let's go for 30. Let's do that to all of them. Oops. Now what happens is that when I press the, let's click away from that, when I press the arrow keys, he now moves in bigger jumps. And you can do the opposite and make him go more slowly. That's it, you've made your cat move.